how to log into Chase mobile app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you log into Chase mobile app. So if you want to log into Chase mobile app, you want to install the app first thing. So head over to your respective app store, type in Chase mobile or Chase on the search bar and install the app. Once the application is completely installed, you click on the open button. As you click on the open button, you could see this sort of field. So click on the accept button and you will be able to see allow access and all that. You could do this while using your device. Click on the sign in button. So basically type in your credential and then your that includes entering your username or maybe a biometric as well as your password, and click on the sign in button, and that's how you should be able to sign into your Chase bank account. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.